Welcome to ACF, the online platform for GATE Agriculture Engineering. And this is all about me. Friends, in this lecture we are going to read about the planters. Friends, planters are simply the sowing equipments which are used for the field, which are large in sizes, and also the seeds sizes are large. Means we have seen that the seed drills are used for small size seeds, but planter is used for large size seeds. So means this is the most कॉमन डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्लांटर एंड द सीड ड्रिल. सीड ड्रिल जो होता है उसमें हम स्मॉल साइज की सीड्स का यूज करते हैं, वाइल प्लांटर में अपन लार्ज साइज सीड्स का यूज करते हैं. एंड द रो टू रो एंड सीड टू सीड स्पेसिंग एंड हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड वर्टिकल स्पेसिंग ऑल आर similar to seed drill in case of planter also. And friends, there are different types of planters like potato planter, maize planter, cotton planter. Means there are different, I think you have studied for your semester examinations also. And friends, the most important thing is its mechanism is fully just like the seed drill. जो इसका mechanism होता है, working mechanism just like the seed drill होता है. Means here also we have rotor wheel, ground wheel, means everything is almost same here. So friends, before going to be the further to see the further slides of planter, I will recommend you to give the definition of some terms because they are very much useful in the upcoming lectures. So I will show you. See here friends, the transmission ratio I is simply the ratio of RPM of fluted roller to the RPM of ground wheel. I जो हमारा होता है वो फ्लूटेड रोलर एंड ग्राउंड व्हील का रेशियो होता है. और समटाइम्स द फ्लूटेड रोलर इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज द rotor wheel. Means sometimes they have given the ratio I also can be written as RPM of rotor wheel divided by the RPM of ground wheel. So these are both the notations we are using for transmission ratio. And friends, also the number of turns of ground wheel per hectare is simply the 10,000 divided by pi dz. Dz is the diameter of ground wheel and n into a, where n is the number of rows of seed tube and a is simply the row spacing. And friends, you can see that volume of seed per hectare is simply the seed rate divided by bulk density. Friends, it is very important and you all of you should clearly remember this. Seed rate divided by bulk density, not the particle density. जो हमारा volume of seed होता है वो seed rate divided by bulk density होता है. And many times they have given questions upon the field index. Then simply the volume of seed is equal to the whatever volume we can calculate, we will get that volume, means theoretical volume, and then after for calculating the actual volume we should multiply the theoretical volume with the field index. Field index is in simple language, if I tell you, it is simply the amount of, means the amount of percentage of places filled by the grains. Means just like it is porosity. I think all of you have little bit idea of porosity. Porosity is also similarly the amount of void space, means amount of void spaces present in the material. Similarly the field index. Field index is the amount of volume inside the container which is filled by the grain is simply the field index. Friends, this will give you the brief idea regarding the how we calculate the plant to plant spacing and the ground wheel distance and linear distance covered by the planter ground wheel. Friends, suppose that z amount of z number of seeds are dropped in one revolution of planter, means seed metering plate. Suppose in one revolution of seed metering plate or seed rotor shaft, z amount of z number of seeds are dropped. Then friends, for one seed we have to revolve the rotor shaft or seat metering plate by 1 by z of revolution. Friends, you should clearly understand here, for z number of seats, 1 revolution of seat metering plate or planter rotor shaft is required. So for 1 seat to drop, 1 by z of the revolution, and friends, 1 by z of the revolution of seat metering plate. And for calculating the amount of rotation revolution in the ground wheel, we have seen here the transmission ratio, means I is the ratio of RPM of fluted roller divided by the RPM of ground wheel. So for calculating the RPM of ground wheel is equal to RPM of fluted roller divided by I. Similarly friends, here 1 by z is the revolution of seat metering plate or fluted roller. For calculating the revolution of ground wheel, we have to divide 1 by z divided by I. Here you can see that I is equal to RPM of fluted roller divided by RPM of ground wheel. So 1 by z divided by I. And friends, this is the linear distance traveled by the ground wheel in this revolution is equal to pi d into pi d. And I think all of you know that for calculating the linear distance in n revolution of the ground wheel, the formula is pi d n. So for 1 by z divided by I revolution of ground wheel, the linear distance is pi dg into 1 by z by I. And friends, this is the plant to plant spacing. Friends, this is very important and you should understand it very carefully. Now friends, we have to see the transplanters. Friends, many times transplanters, I think all of you have studied for your semester examinations also. You can see that transplanter has almost similar concept to planter. So I am not going to focus more upon this. It is similarly the V-belt is present, mat type nursery it is used, and almost all concepts are similar. So you can study for your semester examination. In gate examination, whatever the questions asked upon planter transplanter, almost all questions have the same concept. So I try to focus more upon that only. So I am not going to waste so much time in telling about transplanters. Now you can see the important question. Friends, this question is very much important and you have to understand this question. Not simply solve the questions. Solution is not so much difficult, but understanding is more important, on which I am going to focus. Because when you understand the things, then only you are able to solve the questions in the final examinations. So simply mugging the questions, mugging the solutions is not the way to crack the gate examination within top 10 rank. So you can see this question here. 30 centimeter disc diameter is given and 20 cells are present in the periphery with I means transmission ratio I is equal to 1:2, and the DG means diameter of ground wheel is 50 centimeter, and it is asking about the seat to seat distance in row. Friends, first thing you should understand that seat to seat distance only have relation with the ground wheel diameter, ground wheel rotation. Means seat to seat distance doesn't have any effect, means can't be affected by the rotor diameter or rotor speed. Seat to seat distance only changes with the ground wheel speed or ground wheel diameter. आपको सबसे पहले ये चीज समझनी है कि सीट टू सीट डिस्टेंस और स्पेसिंग, जो सीट स्पेसिंग होती है, उसका रिलेशन केवल और केवल ग्राउंड व्हील के साथ होता है. ग्राउंड व्हील के स्पीड के साथ हो सकता है, ग्राउंड व्हील के डायमीटर के साथ हो सकता है. तो आपको कभी भी भूल के भी सीट टू सीट स्पेसिंग में ग्राउंड व्हील के अलावा मतलब रोटर का यूज नहीं करना है. आपको रोटर का केवल यूज इस काम के लिए करना है ताकि अपन ग्राउंड व्हील की जो स्पीड होती है या फिर ग्राउंड व्हील का जो आरपीएम है उसको अपन निकाल सकें. सो फ्रेंड्स, नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन. 30 centimeter is the disc diameter and ground wheel diameter is 50 centimeter, and we have to calculate the seat to seat spacing. So 30 centimeter we will reject first, and 50 centimeter is ground wheel diameter. So we will consider about the ground wheel diameter, that is 50 centimeter. Now friends, see that the I transmission ratio is 1:2. So, and also the 20 cells are present. So for one revolution of plant rotor, for one revolution of the planter periphery, the ground will revolve 2 times. Means one rotation of the periphery of planter, the ground will rotate 2 times, because the transmission ratio is 1:2 and 20 cells are present. So in one rotation of planter periphery, 20 cells means 20 seeds are dropped, because I have told you in my previous lecture also that each cell will drop one seed in one total complete rotation of the planter periphery or planter rotor, इस वर्टिकल रोटर. सो आपको ये चीजें समझनी है कि एक बार जो हमारा होगा प्लांटर का जो फुल पेरिफेरी रोटेशन होगा, उसमें जितने सेल्स होंगे सारे सेल्स वन सीड को ड्रॉप करेंगे. एंड व्हेन वी रोटेट इट विथ वन टाइम, देन द रोटेशन ऑफ ग्राउंड व्हील इज 2 times. So friends, pi into dz into 2, because 2 times rotation, it is similar to pi dn and divided by 20. Friends, because 20 seeds are dropped when we are rotating the ground wheel 2 times, by pi d into 2 is the linear distance our planter will cover during this time. 20 seeds are dropped. So for one seed to seed spacing, for one seed to seed distance, we will means total distance divided by 20. So we will get the answer, that is 5 pi. Now friends, you see the next question. Here the dz diameter of ground wheel is 85 and the rotor transmission ratio is 4:5 and Z value is 54, and it is saying that friends, Z is simply the number of cells, means 54 total number of cells are present in the planter, and it is asking about the spacing. Friends, this question is also based upon the previous concept only. For 4 rotation of the rotor, the ground will rotate 5 times. You have to understand this simple logic. For 4 rotation, the ground will rotate 5 times. So it's very simple. Pi d into 5/4, and d is the diameter of ground wheel, that is 85, and divided by 54. So that is the answer. Friends, here by mistake I have forgot to multiply with 85, so you should do the calculation in your notebook, that you have to multiply here it by 85. Oh no, sorry, here I have multiplied it by 85. Here I have calculated only the number of revolutions, only I have calculated. Now you can see that pi into d into 5/4 divided by 1/54, so 6.28 centimeter. I have not seen in the previous slide, I have calculated only the number of revolution, that is 5/4 into 1/54, and now you multiply it with pi d and you can get the answer, that is 6.28 centimeter. Now friends, you see the next question. Here it is saying that the size of seeder is 5 into 20 centimeter, means it is the width, and the speed is given 3 km/h and the turning loss is 20%, and 1 hectare of field we have to cultivate. Friends, first thing you should do, calculate the theoretical field capacity. Do blindly calculate the theoretical field capacity, that is width into velocity, and you will get 0.3 hectare per hour. Friends, 0.3 hectare of land is work is done by the seeder in 1 hour. So for 1 hectare of land, the time taken by the seeder is 1 divided by 0.3, that is 3.33 or 10 by 3. So 0.3 field theoretical field capacity is 0.3 hectare per hour, and for covering the total land of 1 hectare it is 1 by 0.3, that is 10 by 3. Now friends, turning loss is 20%, so field efficiency you can calculate, that is 100 in terms of T, you can calculate in terms of time. So T naught divided by T naught plus turning loss, so that is 0.833. And now friends, the actual time we have to calculate. Friends, remember that actual time is always greater than the theoretical time. I have told in my previous lecture of field capacity and field efficiency that theoretical time, actual time is always greater than the theoretical time. So our theoretical time is 10 by 3, so divide it by 0.3833, that we will get 4.01 hour per hectare. Friends, by mistake it has written multiplication sign, but not multiplication sign, that is the division sign, because you can see in the formula that efficiency is equal to theoretical time by actual time. So actual time is equal to theoretical time by efficiency. So 10 by 3 divided by 0.833, you will get the answer, that is 4.01. Now friends, you see the next question here. Friends, these all questions and concepts I have deal with the farm machinery section is very important, and all are asked in the previous year GATE questions, and these all you have to be mastered in these topics, then only you are able to crack the GATE examination within top 10 or top 5 ranks, because these days so much competition is rising, so you should be very clear with your concepts. And friends, my motto of making video on farm machinery is to remove the fear of farm machinery, because most of the students I have seen that they are feeling panic and feeling uncomfortable with the farm machinery section. They can do well in the other sections, but in farm machinery they are facing so much difficulties, they can't get the confidence to solve the questions. So my main motto of dealing with farm machinery is that only, to remove the fear from your mind and from your concepts, that you can easily excel the examination in the better way. So subscribe our channel and share to all the GATE aspirants. So thank you, that's all friends.